Alright, it's your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down to get straight to the point. Just came down to Chesapeake on Military Highway, South Military Highway, looking at a GMC straight up piece of garbage. I know how long cars been on dealerships. We're not talking about private people, but dealerships, most dealerships that I see, they get the car inspected as soon as they get it. This is July 2026. They got it in April of 2026. And the first thing the salesman says, it needs a condenser. It's July, why hasn't that ever been done? You're listing it for sale. I didn't say anything. Then as I'm looking at it, the mechanic walks right past me. It's not ready to be sold. It needs a condenser. And I look under the car, it's a rust bucket. Now, rust is a normal part of life, but this car looked like it's been up north and been hanging out there for quite some time. The inside, everyone's clean. Barely any oil in the engine. Check engine light is on. One of the codes was the catalytic converter below threshold. It was some other stuff. The tires were almost flat. I had an inspection, but I don't know how it passed because the tires are dry rotted. And you can look between the treads, and you can see how dry rotted it is. Some of these inspection stickers, I don't know how it passes inspection, but that's here nor there. The car should have never been sold. It was over 150 something thousand miles. It was past its life. It was running like pure crap. Guys, if your credit is bad, if you have to go this route, go to a buy here, pay here place. You're better off. Military members, anything on South Military Highway, Virginia Beach Boulevard, you better really call a pre-purchase used car inspection for the 757. My phone number is 757-209.
In 1 mile, exit right.
My phone number is 757-209-2307. If you can't find anything online, you can call directly or send a text, and I'll try to fit you in the best I can. I stay completely busy all the time doing pre-inspections. But especially military and young ladies, I got you. Some of these car lots, I don't even know how they're even open. But anyway, the point of the story is the car was garbage. It was a no-go. With that being said, if you are in the 757 area, or if you're not in the 757 area, you can go on the Mobile Mechanic 757, the Mobile Mechanic 757.com, and do a pre-purchase used car inspection. If you're a frontline worker, or you are a spouse, military, police officer, or a spouse as such, medical field, you get a special discount. You just go back on the website, and then all you have to do is just look for the military pre-purchase used car inspection. You fall under that. Also, if you're not in the 757 area, you can literally go to my website. If you're watching this on TikTok, go to my bio page and purchase the 2 documents, pre-inspections for our customers and pre-inspections themselves. That covers 85% of the pre-inspection. The other part, you have to have a diagnostic machine. If you're uncomfortable, you can do a one-on-one consultation, and I'll send you 3 separate documents. They're very important, free of charge.
Exit right.
A $85 value. With that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and hit that follow button. And remember, you are awesome.